Today we're making keto carrot cake and it is delicious. First, add 1/3 cup of olive oil to 4 eggs. And then add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract to that. And mix it up. Next you will need 1 cup of a sweetener. I use Keto monk fruit sweetener. Add this to the egg mixture. Then you will need 2 cups of blanched almond flour. Then you will need 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Next you will need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon measurement to measure it out. Next we need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan. And now we take the dry ingredients here and we mix in the wet ingredients. Now add in a 1/2 cup of melted butter and 2 cups of shredded carrots. I buy this 10-ounce bag from Walmart and I use the entire bag. This is what the mixture should look like. Now I'm going to put this into my blender and I am going to blend this up until it is smooth cake batter. You can also blend everything up, then add the carrots if you would like to have the carrot pieces in your cake batter. Next I'm going to be adding in some chopped walnuts. This was from a 6-ounce bag, which was just a little bit less than 6 ounces because we'd previously ate some of them. Just gently fold those into the batter. Next add 5 to 6 drops of a liquid sweetener into the batter. I use sucker drops. And line a 9 by 13 inch pan. Next spread this batter evenly into the pan. And bake for 35 minutes on 350. The cake is done and I'm inserting a toothpick in the center just to make sure, and it's done. While the cake is cooling, I'm going to be working on the cream cheese icing. You will need a 1/2 cup of a confectioner sweetener. I'm using Anthony's. And I'm dumping it straight down into my blender jar. Next you will need a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Add that to your blender jar with the confectioner sweetener. Then add in a 1/4 cup of cold butter. And add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Again, I'm using my 1/2 teaspoon measurement. Finally, you need an 8-ounce block of cream cheese softened. I cut mine up into squares. Added it to my blender jar. Add 5 drops of a liquid sweetener. I use sucker drops. And blend everything up together until the icing is smooth and creamy. This cake is very delicious. If you made this for a friend, they would not believe this was keto. It is that good. So we hope you give this cake a try. If you're on a keto diet or you want to give some keto recipes a try, this is a highly recommended favorite dessert of ours. So if you enjoyed this video and you enjoy our channel, please subscribe to us. Click the little bell for notifications of our next uploads. Leave us kind and encouraging comments and consider giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching. Don't just watch and leave. Subscribe.